Good morning! You're watching Tap in Time. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, without further ado, let's tap in time. In today's video, we're going to be working on section 3 of the routine, Who Put the Bomp by the overtones, for a beginner's level. So, let's begin. So, standing in parallel with our knee slightly bent, we have a toe-heel box step starting with the right leg first. So we have a toe-heel stepping forward, like so, followed by a toe-heel with the left leg crossing over the right leg, another toe-heel with the right leg stepping backwards, and finally a toe-heel with the left leg stepping out to the side, ending with our feet in parallel. Perfect! With the right leg we have 2 shuffles to the side, like so, followed by a ball change. We then perform another 2 shuffles to the side with the right leg, followed by a dig back in parallel. Perfect! We then repeat all the steps again from the toe-heel box step, starting with the right leg, like so. Shuffle, shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, shuffle, dig. Perfect! That's all of section 3. Let's now piece together all the steps learnt. So, again, standing in parallel with our knee slightly bent, we're going to be starting with the right leg first. We have Perfect! So there you have it, section 3 for the routine Who Put the Bomp.